In this video, I will cover recursive lambda in Excel. In my previous video, I explained lambda function in detail. If you have not watched it yet, I will strongly recommend watching that video first. It will help you to understand this video about recursive lambda. In Excel, recursive lambda is a custom function that calls itself again and again until a specific exit condition is met. Let me explain recursive lambda with some example. Let's get started. Here we have some number in the column. Now we have to add digits of the number, and if the result is in single digit, we will keep it. If it is more than one digit, we will add it again. So we will try to develop such a recursive lambda. First, let us develop a function which will add only once, then we will convert into recursive one. To add the digits of the number, first we need to break it into single digit. We will use sequence. Let me use length. This way we will get a series of numbers to the number of digits. Then we will use mid, this comma, and pull one number at a time. Now, as we have used text function mid, we need to convert it into number. So I am multiplying it by 1, and then I will use some function. Now let us convert it into a lambda function. We need only one parameter. I am using it as num, and let us replace B7 with num. Close it. So let us check our function. It is correct. Now it is simple lambda. Now we will convert it into a recursive lambda so that it will return the result of 3 only. So to convert into recursive lambda, we need to assign it a name first. Let me name it. First, let me assign condition. If num is length, I will use len function again. If num of length of term is greater than 1, then I am assigned sum to one digit value. If false, then return num. Let me close it. Let us check whether our recursive lambda is working or not. For this, we have to go to formula, define name, name manager, new, and name it sum to one digit as we have assigned our lambda this name. Yes, it is working fine. We are getting our answer in single digit. So our formula, the new function is adding the digits of the number, and if it is more than one digit, it is adding it again. Now it's your turn. Try creating your own function using lambda. If you get stuck anywhere, don't worry. I am always there to help you. Just leave your question in the comments. Keep watching Number Crunching with Rajesh from JupyterSolutions.in.